Just that time I get at the camera, it lights up.
Yeah, I'm watching it right now. That's another why I don't want to look at my own.